Hi! Planning to relocate and retire here in Cebu? Then we have this beautiful two-story American-inspired house with a landscape garden here in Minglanilla, Cebu. My name is Christine and I'm a trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. And you're back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. Please do us a favor of hitting the like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Now, this two-story beautiful American-inspired house has a land area of 198 square meters and a floor area of 284 square meters. Now, behind me is the carport, and this carport can fit at least 3 cars or 2 large SUVs and 1 Civic. Now, on my left is the beautiful landscape garden, which starts on the front yard up to the LANAI area. And this is the LANAI area, which is the perfect spot where you can chill and relax together with your family any time of the day. Now let's head on to the main door. Welcome to your beautiful home. Right now, we're here in the ground floor. And this is the living area or the receiving area. And this is where the TV wall is. This house comes with all the furniture and the appliances that you see here in the video. And this can be yours for 7,500,000 pesos only. Price vary and changes depending on the situation. So this is the spacious and well-lit kitchen. This is where the gas range is, and the faucet, and we have there the hanging cabinets on the wall. This is where the dining area is. And here is the guest powder room. Right after the dining area, we have the LANAI, which was shown earlier in the video. Oh, I'm sorry. And here, this is the LANAI, which goes straight to the altar. We have a small altar here at the back. Then on my right, we have the service area where you do the laundry and where the maid's quarter is. Let's head back to the main house. Let's go up to the second floor where the bedrooms are. So in the bedroom area, there are 3 main rooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. Let's check first bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1, and this is for the hearse. As you can see, we have here a single-size bed, a split-type conditioner, and built-in cabinets. I say hearse because of the color, which is color pink. Anyway, as you can see, that this room is well lit because of the big sliding windows, which will allow the natural air and light to go inside this room. So this cabinet, which is just in the hallway of these bedrooms, is for the linen and for the shoes. but basically it's for the shoes. Then let's go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is for the his. And the same with the other bedroom, it has also split type air conditioner, big sliding windows, and also built-in cabinets. And again, this can fit a single-sized bed. So if you have 2 kids at home, then this is the perfect house for your family. Right after bedrooms 1 and 2, we have the shared toilet and bathroom, which already has a hot and cold shower. Now let's head on to the master bedroom. Twice as big as the other rooms, the master bedroom can fit a king-size bed. And on this side is the balcony, which is overlooking the ocean. This is yet a small balcony, but we have a bigger balcony here in the master bedroom. On the other side. Here, the main door for the big balcony. Diba? It's very nice to have your morning and evening tea here while looking through the ocean on that side. So the master bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bathroom. And also it has a split type air conditioner. So this is the ensuite toilet and bathroom, which the shower is already enclosed with a glass enclosure. And it also has its cabinets on this side. To wrap up everything about this 2-story house, this house and lot has a land area of 198 square meters and a floor area of 284 square meters. And this comes with all the furniture that you see in the video. We have 3 rooms on the 2nd floor, and then 2 toilet and bathrooms there also on the 2nd floor, a powder room here on the ground floor, and a maid's quarter with own toilet and bathroom. Then the carport can fit at least 3 cars. Then we have here the beautiful landscape garden, which is the main attraction of this 2-story house. And this can be yours for only 7,500,000 pesos only. Should you wish to pay a visit of this beautiful house, then please call us at 0917-7999-429, or you may email us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. You can also reach us through Viber or WhatsApp. Just change the 09 to +63917-7999-429. And once again, my name is Christine and I'm your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. With Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality. Thank you and God bless.